Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit a profile picture on Offerup. So what you want to do first is click on your Offerup app and open that up. Next, what you want to do is go to the home page by clicking on the bottom left hand side. Now, once you reach the home page, you want to scroll all the way up until on the upper right hand side, you see your profile image. So once you see your profile image, you're going to click on that top right hand corner. And then afterwards, in the circle where in the upper left-hand side where you see your image, you're going to click on that camera icon. So once you click on this camera icon, you have two options to actually edit your profile picture on Offerup. You can either take a photo, and so that will actually access your camera on your phone, or you can select a photo, and by selecting a photo, it's going to open up your photos library and you can select a photo from there. So again, you have two options to change your profile photo. Do whichever one you choose. I personally usually select a photo like of me on vacation or of me at a family party, and then I use that photo for actually my Offerup profile image. But again, you can also take a photo if you wish to actually access your camera and change your profile picture that way. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do leave them down below.